screeching from near and far. Come and see me cook delicious dishes. Come and get a smile while you eat with your eyes. This is Courtney's Kitchen.
We're gonna work on our strawberry. Should I dare to say syrup or a filling basically that we can use to merge with our ice cream. Alright. So here we have about 3/4 cups water, and we have 5 strawberries diced, and we have 1/4 cup sugar. So we're gonna start off with medium heat. Right away, we're just gonna go ahead and add our strawberries right away. So I'm just gonna allow this to come to a boil, and then I'm gonna add my sugar. Now, how we did the caramel won't be the same way that we do this right here. We just want it to boil down nicely and still have its clear look where the sugar is concerned, but it's going to take the strawberry flavor and color and so on. So we're almost there. Remember, when you're planning to do sugar in a pot, don't do too much of a thin pot. If you happen to do in a thin pot, just turn it down. Now this has come to a boil. I'm going to crack it down a bit. I'm going to add my 1/4 cup sugar. And this you can stir. Again, we're not making caramel, so we're gonna allow this to boil for a bit, come to a little thickness, and then we're gonna turn it off, let it cool for a bit, and then we're gonna place it in the refrigerator. So we're gonna crack this down a bit. Gonna give it a second stir. This smells so good. So we're gonna allow most of this liquid to boil up. Most. You can see that sugar have been breaking down little by little, going down to that kind of syrupy look. And when you're doing this, you can't leave it alone. Don't allow the edges to burn, and don't allow it to go further than it should where boiling is concerned. You just want most of the liquid to go. And whenever I reach that thickness, you know it's ready. And every now and then you give it a little stir. Every now and then. You can smell this, it smells so good, really good. In the meantime, you can click up here to see how we did our caramel. Just go ahead and give it a watch and see if it's something that you would like for yourself, that you could do for yourself. Right? Here we go again. So I'm gonna change from a spatula to a spoon so I can see how thick this is. Still not there yet. Still not there yet, but it's coming down. I don't want to turn it up because I don't want my edges to burn, as I said earlier. So it's easier you wait patiently and just allow it to go down. Just allow it. Just wait patiently, but don't leave it alone. Because if you do that, then the edges are going to start to burn because of the sugar being caramelized on the ends, on the sides. Sorry. You can see that. That's all strawberry syrup right there. Kind of have this jam look. Almost there. Almost there. Really nice. We've extracted all the colors from the strawberry and also all the flavors, and that mixed with the sugar, smelling so good. I haven't added anything else to it because I want the flavor of the strawberry to do its job. I don't want to take away from that. So there's no form of other extracts or anything, just the strawberries. Here we go. Here's that lovely color. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that texture. About 2 more minutes and we'll take it off. About 2 more minutes. Just preventing the edges from burning. So I keep cleaning that off with my spatula. Look at that. You're right where we want to be. Okay, there we go. There we go. And we're gonna turn this off. There we go. As you can see the syrup? See? Look at that. Perfect. So we're gonna pour that in our container. We're gonna put that to cool in the refrigerator. Beautiful, really good. Good. So we're gonna place this in the refrigerator. So here we have it, our strawberry sauce.
Delicious dishes, come and get a smile while you eat with your eyes. This is Courtney's Kitchen.